Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. I hope you all are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video which will guide you to download Yahoo Mail in your Android device. Yahoo Mail is an email service application. Users are able to access and manage their mailboxes using Yahoo. You can communicate with your family, friends or colleagues through digital messages. Let's quickly get started. First of all, just make sure you have good internet connection and then get started by clicking on Google Play Store. After that, tap on the search box Yahoo Mail onto the search box. This screen will instantly appear. Now tap on the install button. Downloading may take some time if you have a poor internet connection, but keep some patience. Here Yahoo Mail is successfully installed. Trust me, in this process is among the easiest. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you found this video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, subscribe the channel, comment down below for any feedbacks. I will soon be back with more tutorial video. Till then, take care, goodbye. See you later.